Hello and welcome to today's MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB. Today we're visiting XAMN Pro and we're going to have a look at a feature that's been requested for a long time, and it's going to be a feature that a lot of you use in everyday programs and your phones, your laptops, something that we've grown used to and expected, and that is of course dark mode. XAMN has dark mode and I'm going to show you today where you can turn on or off that feature to suit your preference. So as in most things with XAMN, and we want to change the appearance, we want to go to the options menu at the top. And here in the options menu, we get lots of preferences, so XAMN displays data how we want it to. And you can see in the general tab at the very top, we have got a theme here. So we can either choose system default, so if you choose everything in your system to be dark mode, then just choose the system default and XAMN will pick that. If you want to keep your system as dark mode, but you prefer XAMN in light, then just change it to light here. Or we can go straight to dark, and once we press OK, you can see we've now got dark mode displayed. This is much better for your eyes if you're reviewing a large case at night, for example, and generally just if you prefer dark mode. But if you're not happy with dark mode, again, just options, general, light, press OK, and you're back to the original view. We hope that you enjoy using dark mode in XAMN and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.